fearless agents keep track of stuff differently, stats, that kind of stuff, than regular agents. So here's what I want you to not keep track of, okay? You've heard me talk about how fearless agents should always schedule 5 listing appointments a week. Let me tell you there are some people that I coach that are constantly keeping track of the number of dials that they do on the phone. There are some people that keep track of the number of no's they get. There are some people that keep track of the number of contacts they make. Do you know what all those people have in common? They don't schedule 5 listing appointments a week. And the people who do always schedule 5 listing appointments a week, they never know the number of dials they made, the number of contacts. They don't know any of that because it doesn't matter. You don't get off the phone until you've scheduled 5. That's the secret, okay? So we talked a little bit about goal setting. If your goal is to schedule 5, the way you do it is you commit to the process, not the goal. The goal is 5. The goal is 40 listings a year. The goal is $350,000 net taxable income. The goal is $700,000 gross, maybe. But that's not what you commit to. You commit to the process, and the process is you don't get off the phone until you've scheduled 5. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed. And I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.